Hey guys, what is up? This is Dennis, and today I have a different kind of video. I'm talking about my Logitech Z623 speaker system. I just got these and I'm having a bit of trouble with them. These are my second pair. Logitech sent me a new one because they were making a weird noise when I turned them on. So these are my replacements. Now, it consists of a subwoofer and speakers that you see here. They're beautiful, but they make a strange sound. So hopefully I can pick this up on the camera, and I'm going to probably submit this to Logitech just to kind of show them exactly what's going on because it's kind of annoying. So I'm just going to turn on the power, and this is not connected to any devices, no iPads or speaker, computers, just turning on the power. Now I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but right now it's making a weird high-pitched sound. It's like a high frequency almost. I'm going to turn it off. Without it being turned on, and now turning it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. So hopefully you can hear the sound. It's really annoying. It's almost like, I don't know, a dog whistle. It's kind of irritating. And this is at volume 0. If I turn it up, it doesn't matter. Basically, it's like it's getting feedback or something wrong with the power supply and the sub that's supplying power to the speakers here. But whatever it is, I'm the customer. I'm not happy. My friend has this at work or at his house. Works fine. I tested his here. Works fine. No sound. But these that I have makes this weird high-pitched sound. And it's almost like, I don't know how else to describe it. It just sounds like a high-pitched sound. Almost like what the old tube TVs used to sound like. So, please Logitech, give me a new set of speakers that are actually working. Thank you.